This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Beniuk. Discover the epitome of Florida living in this beautiful Adams brick home built in 2015, nestled in a quiet neighborhood with a fully fenced yard. This home features an abundance of natural light throughout the split floor plan. There is plenty of room for everyone with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. Easy access to US 1, shopping, restaurants or a short drive to spend the day in Flagler Beach soaking up the sun. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Beniuk at 386-503-5105.